Hi, my name is Kavi. I come from Mauritius and I will share with you my experience at Roman PTE and how I achieved 79 plus with Roman's help. The test is not a difficult test, but we need a lot of preparation. At Roman PTE, you will find that the practice test in the student portal is really helpful. So when you will start doing the test or when you will prepare yourself, you will see that the standard of a question will be similar to the one in the exam. You don't have to search for materials on the internet, or you don't have to waste your time looking for everywhere, because the one that is given at Roman PTE on the student portal will be repeated. I advise everyone to practice on the website, on the portal, if you want good result. Because instead of going on the internet, searching, wasting like 1 hour, having maybe information which is too easy, too difficult, and which will not be in the same case in the exam, will not be helpful for you and will waste your time. You will lose your confidence. The second most important thing to do is practice, practice, and practice. Even if you have done it once or twice, you still need to practice it. For example, for me, when I used to do reorder paragraph, I didn't understand the concept first because I never did it before. It was something new for me, so I had to practice once and practice again. So do it under exam condition and make sure you have everything right. And thirdly, what I will suggest you in terms maybe reading concerning question like MCQ, which are not really like that important in terms of marks. Don't waste too much time on it. Don't put like 2 hours, 3 hours doing MCQs. Just do whatever is on the portal and move on to the question that are more important, like fill in the blanks, reorder paragraph, fill in the blanks, reading and writing. And concerning essays and speaking, you have to practice a lot. Essays, I will suggest you to practice everything on the portal. Questions repeat, and the format is really helpful. There are some people who can write on their own and be creative. That's good. And there are other people who still need the format. I'm the one who needs the format. I think the format is better even if you can write by yourself, because the format saves you time. You have an introduction, you have a conclusion, and you just have to reword everything again. Like only reword the paragraph, and it saves your time. So if you have to think about an essay for 20 minutes, and if you are writing and you are thinking about the introduction, conclusion, you take like 10 minutes, and if you are writing again, so all the time is gone. So time is precious in the exam, and the formats give you everything. It gives you a structure, it knows how to start, how to end, give you the perfect vocabulary. So I will advise everyone to follow this format. And concerning summarized written text, practice everything on the portal. It's important. I cannot emphasize more how it is important. When I've been on the test, I've seen questions repeating there are maximum 3 questions for summarized written text. So at least you get at least one will be from the portal. I can guarantee that at least one will be from the portal. And if it's not from the portal, it will be the same standard, the same. You will not have something like really like complex. It will be like the same difficulty. And another important thing that I want to tell you is do not overthink about this exam. Do not try to overthink about anything about should I give more complex words, should I use more intricate vocabularies, or should I replace every word in the summarized written text by any synonym? No, just do your best and be calm. Don't overthink about it. If you can't change a word, that's fine. And the most important thing at Roman PT, what I found, the best experience is that the teacher is helpful. You can practice, you can ask the question, he will be really nice with you, and you will get good feedback with Roman. So I think you will be okay for your exam preparation, because Roman really gives good feedback and he is here for his students. Thank you.